you can see the orders are shorter than creating inner join. When you write a program, just select the name of view. You can also select all, then from view. The order is very short. Or just like this. Execute. This shows how easy it is using view. When you write a program, you can write it like this. But you will have employees' data and department name. Close it now. If you want to make changes, refresh view and right-click to design. Then you can choose any data you want. You can also expand the window. For example, I don't want ID. Right-click on ID and delete. Right-click to execute. Now the data is more beautiful, it no longer shows department ID. It shows only department name now. If we want notes to be added, just click on Notes. Then right-click to execute. Now you see that Notes is added. If you don't want notes anymore, just right-click to delete. Check your data and try execute one more time. Then right-click to save. Close the window. Click on New Query. Type and select all from. Then copy the name and paste. Execute. I have to copy and paste the order, it's not automatically generated. Let's try shorten the name. Right-click to rename. And title, view_empty-pt. Copy the order, just in case. Open New Query. Select all from, and paste. View_empty-pt. Execute. When you are writing in C# or Visual Basic, and you want employees' data and department name, you can use this order. Select all from view_empty-pt. This is very easy. The benefit of using view. Don't forget to save. Save the order. This lecture is finished. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.